Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Peter here with EVO Gimbals, and in this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to connect your Sony A series camera to your RAGE3 so that you can control the advanced CCI functions such as f-stop, shutter speed, ISO, right from the handle of your gimbal. Let's get right into it. I have, for this example, an A7 III. This will also work with the A6000 through 6500, the A7S II, A7R, any A series Sony this will work with. So there's two counterintuitive parts to this, and we sincerely apologize if this makes it confusing, but for all of these setups, you're actually going to use the Canon CCI control protocol. So you're actually going to be using the Canon micro USB. This is marked the EVO Micro 002 on the label. This micro USB is actually backwards compatible with the multi-port on your Sony camera. So what we're going to do first, before we even connect our camera, is we're going to go into the menu of our Sony, and we need to change the multi-port control to PC remote. So that's going to be accessed all the way over here on the setup menu, and depending on what model camera you have, it's either going to be on page 3, 4, or 5 of your setup menu. On the A7 III, it's on page 4. So right here, USB connection, you can see it's set to auto. We're going to select that, and we're going to select PC remote. Once that's set up, we're going to go ahead and connect our micro USB right into the multi-port connection on the camera, and it's going to say connecting, but it's not going to work because we haven't set the control protocol on our gimbal yet. So to do that, we're going to access the menu here on the gimbal, press down on the control wheel. You're going to scroll to the right to select camera, hit the right side of the dial to select camera, and then you're going to notice that there's a list of different camera manufacturers here. There's Canon, Nikon, Sony, and Panasonic. This is the second step of the counterintuitiveness. You do not want to select Sony, you want to select Canon. Since we're using the Canon micro USB cable, go ahead and select that. And this is going to reset. It's going to connect, and I'm going to press and hold the mode button down for 2 seconds to power the motors back on. As I exit the settings menu here, I'm going to hit the left side of the control dial, and you're going to see if it's successfully connected, you'll see a new set of numbers come up. Right now, this is displaying the f-stop of my camera, and as I scroll my control wheel to the right and to the left, this actually changes my f-stop values. Hit the right side of the control dial to switch to shutter speed, and now I can dial up and down my shutter speed. One more to the right to control ISO. I can set it to wherever I want. One more to the right will get you to exposure compensation. Only thing with this one is we have not been able to program that yet, so that will be coming in an update once we get that dialed in. But for now, you have access to f-stop, shutter speed, and ISO, which are three pretty important settings if you're really into filmmaking. The last thing is another super simple but very, very convenient control is the power button now doubles as your shutter button for starting and stopping video. So one click of the power button begins recording, one click of the power button stops recording. I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. I know that there's been a ton of customers asking us about this setup. How do you do it? I sincerely apologize that we haven't gotten this video out there sooner. Please visit us on the website if you guys have any questions whatsoever. Email us, support@evogimbals.com. If you're in dire need of some help, give us a call direct, 866-977-6688. You can also go on to our knowledge base on our website. We'll have a link to the video there along with a written up description on exactly how to do this. So, hope that helped you guys. Remember to keep it smooth, and we'll see you next time.